I want to tell you about one of the biggest untapped sales opportunities on Etsy with print on demand in 2026. Now, many sellers know about it, but the ones who have figured out how to do this the smart way are the ones who are converting into big sales. And honestly, I avoided it for years myself, but it was costing me sales every single month. And I'm talking about photo personalization. Yes, we all know that personalization is queen on Etsy, but when we're talking about photo personalization, that is taking it to the next level. And before you click away off this video, because I know exactly what you're thinking, photo personalization is such a headache. Honestly, the process could be a nightmare. You request a photo from a customer, they send it to you via messages, you download the photo, you add it to your Canva design, then you add it to Printify and customize the order. And then doing that for every single order, it was truly a nightmare. So I just didn't do it. But now I have a new way to automate the entire process. And in 2026, photo personalization is one of the ways that I am growing my Etsy print on demand shop, and it has actively helped me increase my sales this year. Today, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how I automate the photo personalization process with a custom Father's Day mug design. As you know, we are prepping for those big spring holidays that are on the way. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you my exact niche strategy to stand out with these products. Hey there, welcome back. I'm Emily. I'm a mom of two and multi six-figure Etsy print on demand seller. And I am so glad you've stumbled upon my channel and this video. Every week, I'm providing you with no fluff, no hype, Etsy print on demand tips, strategies, and tools that can help you launch, grow, and scale your own Etsy shop. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe below so you don't miss a single weekly video. If you've been around here for a little bit, you know I like to share what is actively working in my Etsy shop right now and for my students in the Gift Lab community. And personalization is honestly winning hands down. And add on to that photo personalization, and that is truly taking designs to the next level. Because here's the thing, Etsy buyers are looking for something unique. They want something that they can't go down the street and buy at Target or Walmart, right? And when you're offering something like a personalized photo product, that is absolutely something unique and custom that they can't just find anywhere else. So here is one of the biggest trends that I am seeing when it comes to photo personalization on Etsy, and that is these floating face designs. Now, someone else might have a better phrase for that, but I call them the floating face designs. What are they? They are these funny, cute designs where you have someone's face just floating in the design. And I'm seeing everything from baby photos to adult photos to dog photos trending on Etsy. These sales are absolutely huge. Now, these designs are truly evergreen. They have been selling on Etsy for a bit and they are continuing to be top sellers, especially when it comes to Mother's Day and Father's Day. But as I mentioned at the top of the video, I used to avoid these actively because the work that it required to create and personalize these designs was just too much. And we created these businesses, right, to have more freedom in our life, to have more flexibility. I didn't want to take on more and more and more custom work. But Anywhere POD has changed that for me entirely. Anywhere POD is a tool that I use in my Etsy shop every single day to help me from streamlining the listing process to automating my mockups to automating personalization. And with the combination of their AI effects tool and their live preview tool, we can combine those to automate our photo personalization process. And it is totally magic. Instead of me manually editing every single photo that comes in for these orders, Anywhere POD's AI effects will allow that to automatically create those floating face designs. And the live preview tool will allow customers to automatically upload their own photos there as well. So there's no messaging back and forth. And what I also love about this is that buyers don't have to imagine what their product's going to look like. They can see it right there on the live preview tool. So enough talking for me. Let's go ahead and jump right in because I want to show you exactly how this works because I am truly obsessing over it this year. Before we jump into the design and how to automate this in Anywhere POD, I do want to share with you first that it is very important to create something unique to sell on Etsy. Now, I am showing you here the validation behind how these baby face mugs are in demand. My favorite research tool is the Everbee research tool. And what I love so much about it is that directly on your Etsy search, you can see here the estimated monthly sales, the views, and the listing age, which is so incredibly important because, for example, this listing here is only 2 months old and is already a bestseller. Same with this one over here that's only 4 months old. And we can see that there are multiple bestsellers in this kind of floating baby face design, which is great validation that this is in demand on Etsy. Now, what we don't want to do is recreate what's already out there, right? We never want to just reproduce a bestseller. Number one, that's that seller's IP, that's their unique intellectual property. So we never want to infringe upon that. But we want to take some inspiration and understand what's working. And by using the Everbee tool, it makes it really easy to see kind of what those listing ages are and how many monthly sales are happening so that you get a sense of what is in demand. And then the second part of this is we want to create our own unique design, as I said. Now, if you caught my How to Get Your First 100 Sales on Etsy series, I talk all about the person plus moment formula. And this is a formula I use in my shop and I teach with my students. And for this mug today, we're going to be focused on Father's Day, right? But what kind of father are we focusing on? And one way to stand out with your products is to think about that dad or that grandfather. What are their hobbies? What are their interests? So today we're going to be designing actually a football dad mug using this trendy baby floating face design. Step one of this process is to create your design in your favorite design tool. So today I'm using Canva, and this is kind of the base of the design that I'm going to be using over in Anywhere POD. I have added the floating baby face here using a Canva stock photo, but I'm actually going to go ahead and delete this, and we are going to be taking this over into Anywhere POD. Okay, we are here in Anywhere POD, and I have uploaded kind of the base of my design here. Now, if you wanted to customize any of this text, you could set up those personalized text fields. For this design, I am just personalizing the photo. But again, Anywhere POD allows you to customize any part of the design, which is amazing. Now, follow me here. I am going to upload a photo of a baby, and we are going to use the AI effects tool to create that floating face design. Okay, I have my baby photo in here. I will click on this layer and select personalized. And then I want to simply select apply AI filter. All right, so once you select apply AI filter, you will have the opportunity to select one that you've previously used before, or you can add your own in here. You will add the prompt in here. You can see right here that I've added this prompt. Now, if you need help generating these prompts, I created this one using the Design Lab GPT that I offer in the Gift Lab community. And I'm going to include the link to our community in the notes below. You can join us free for 7 days. We have other custom GPTs. We have live coaching calls every week, trends of the week, evergreen lab reports, and so much more. So if you need help with using this, implementing this, or creating these prompts, you can come join us free for 7 days, and I'll link that below. So I have a prompt here that basically says it's going to remove the background and isolate only the face of the photo. You can also select which AI tool you'd like to use if you wanted to have a transparent background and the shape of the image. And then you'll select generate. All right, so you can see here, it has now generated this baby face without the background, and we did not have to use the erase tool in Canva or do any manual editing ourselves. So we have this set up now exactly where we want the photo. We have it personalized, we've applied the AI filter, and now we will simply hit create product. Our product's been created, and just like any other Etsy listing, we can now select our mockups and add our title and tags and all of that. But I want to show you how the live preview tool works for customers to make this even easier for yourself. Now, of course, if you're not quite ready to use the live preview tool, that's totally fine. You could still have customers send you their photos, and this personalization is still super easy because all you have to do is upload their photo to the order and it will do that personalization for you. However, if you want to take this one step further with the automation, I recommend using the live preview tool. Okay, so if you want to enable your live preview, you'll simply select enable live preview, and then you'll be able to pick the template. You can create which mockup actually you want customers to see, or you can use one that's already available, which is what we are going to do here. So we've enabled it, so that's what they're going to see when they're creating their design. And once you've enabled your live preview, down here above the personalization instructions, you will see this text here. Add the below URL to your personalization instructions to allow your customers to view a live preview of their personalization before they purchase. So I will simply hit add to instructions, and it is going to automatically add the instructions here. So it's going to ask them to go to a short link. They're going to upload their photo and come back to Etsy and finish purchasing. Super, super easy. And now I'm going to show you what that looks like from the customer's perspective. Okay, when customers come to this link, this is the screen they're going to see. It is super easy to use, very user friendly, and they will simply select their file. And once they select their photo, it is going to take, depending on which AI tool you use, it may take anywhere from about 20 seconds to a minute, but it's going to show them on the screen exactly what's happening here. So not only is it going to save you time when that order comes in because you don't have to do any customizing yourself, but it's also going to show them exactly what the photo looks like without you having to create a proof for them. All right, the floating baby head design has generated, and you can see here kind of what that will look like for the customer. And then they will select next, and it's going to give them some further instructions here, which is to copy this information and paste it into that personalization box. There's also a copy button, so they can simply click there, and then they would go back to the personalization box in their order and put that link there, that ID there. Now, when you get these orders in APOD, you can also make adjustments, right? So if you wanted to make the face a little bit bigger or make any changes, you can definitely do that in there as well. So back here over in AnywherePOD, you would simply finish filling out your listing details and then simply push that over to Etsy, where you can publish that as a live listing. And again, when you make these sales, buyers can automatically upload their own photos, and it will automate this entire process for you. Now, just going back to what I said earlier, if you don't feel quite ready for the live preview tool, that's okay. You can still use the AI effects, have the customer message you their photo, and when you're personalizing the order, you can do that yourself, and it still saves so much time. So let's zoom out a bit and talk about why this is so important for your Etsy shop. Personalization is key on Etsy and with print on demand, especially as a new shop standing out. Personalizing products is a way you can do that. It's a way you can stand out amongst the crowd. And if you're willing to customize photos on your products, that's going to make your products stand out that much more. We are always striving to create that emotional connection with buyers. We want them to see something and either feel happy or joyful, or maybe even they feel sentimental or they laugh. We want them to feel that emotional connection, and having those photos as a part of that product is an easy way to do that. Now, I used to actively avoid doing this at all cost, but now have been implementing this in my shop shop, and it has been helping my sales grow. So much so that this year, right now, my revenue is up over 75% compared to 2025. And a big part of that is using Anywhere POD for these personalization options that I just didn't have access to before. And if you want to try Anywhere POD, I'm going to include a link below and also 30 days free. So you can try it and see if it's something that you think is going to help take your shop to the next level. All right, so I promised you at the beginning of this video that I was going to share my exact niche strategy to stand out with trending products like this. And honestly, I've kind of been talking about it a little bit through this video, but I want to just share a little bit more. And that is getting specific. So in today's video, we created a football dad floating face design. And the key there is really combining these different trending elements and having a super specific customer in mind. In this case, we're focused on dads, but not only dads, dads who enjoy football or that's a hobby or a passion of theirs. It also includes this floating baby face design that is trending on Etsy. So by cross niching or combining these different elements, we are creating something simple but unique that is going to stand out to buyers. I always want us to stay away from generic. There are so many generic dad products out there, generic mom products. So instead of thinking of a personalized photo mug, I want you to think about who exactly is that mug for? And again, don't forget to use that person plus moment formula. So, who is that person? How do you describe them? What are they interested in? What are their hobbies, their careers, their identities? And what is that moment that you're selling it for? And then, if you can layer in a trend like the floating face design, you have a recipe for a winning design. I don't want you to just chase every trend. I want you to niche down and apply it to your specific customers. All right, so drop a comment below. I would love to know, are you offering photo personalization in your shop? And if you want more strategies like this that are honest and practical and no fluff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. I'm sharing videos every single week to help you grow your Etsy print on demand shop. I'm Emily. I'll see you in the next one.